Several weeks ago, we announced our Pick Your Promo offer with our ability to help you save $16,000 to $17,000 during the transition from the 2019 Winnebago View and Navion model year to the 2020 model year arriving in early summer. And it's been successful. We've sold down about 30% of our inventory, and we can still help you save $16,000 to $17,000 as we've decided to extend that offer through April 1st. With that transition, you're able to save $3,000 on our purchase of factory fresh, fuel efficient, Mercedes Benz based Winnebago Views and Navions, in which we purchased all remaining available inventory from Winnebago Industries. We can no longer order 2019 Winnebago Views and Navions, and we've also then launched the Pick Your Promo offer of $1,000 in free parts accessories or $1,000 in travel reimbursement. Winnebago Industries has also let us know that the price increase going to the 2020 model year will be approximately $12,000 to $13,000. With these package savings and the following promo, you can save $16,000 to $17,000 versus the projected cost of next year's 2020 model arriving in early summer. First, we'll reimburse your travel expenses up to $1,000 when you take delivery of your Mercedes Benz in our all-new heated indoor facilities. Or close on the RV and we'll store for you through spring, all at no charge. Or receive $1,000 in free accessories in our 8,000 square foot retail parts store. So if you've been wanting HWH levelers, added solar, satellite TV, Wi-Fi or cellular boosters, surge guard protection, TPMS, or anything else you can dream up, we'll provide you a $1,000 credit. Then we'll back that with Master RVDA Certified Technicians to ensure that it's done right. Regardless of which Pick Your Promo you select, you can take advantage of our award-winning half-day individualized educational orientation with a Master RVDA Certified Technician and receive the time and attention you deserve to learn operation and get the most out of your new fuel-efficient View. But don't take our word for it. Check independent reviews of our dealership on Google Reviews or Facebook, where our guests rave about this unique guest experience. Save $16,000 to $17,000 on your factory direct purchase of your fuel-efficient Mercedes Benz based 2019 Winnebago View and Navion.